Hey guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back to another video. Alright guys, before we get into today's video, I just want to say that I'm so sorry again for not uploading in like a month. I don't know, it's absolutely been crazy. I'm back at school. I've just finished my first 4 weeks of school. Absolutely crazy. The amount of homework and study they've given us already is stupid. But it doesn't matter, I'm back on my grind, we're back on YouTube. I just want to say that I'm super duper sorry, but I'm back and we're going to get straight into another video, baby. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually make some money, some real legitimate cash, just by sitting on your bum, on your computer, on the internet, and it's that simple, it is that easy. If you guys would like to know how you guys can make yourself some real cash, some real money, super duper easy at home, make sure you guys keep on watching, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel with that post notifications turned on, and comment down below how you guys are going, and if you guys like to see more videos like this in the future, because you know this stuff is quite interesting. And take advantage of the internet, guys, because the amount of money that you can make on the internet is crazy. Think smart, work smart, not hard, baby. Anyway guys, let's just get straight into the video. So as you can see, the first method, or the method I'm going to be talking about in this video, is surveys. Now surveys are probably one of the best ways that you guys can earn yourselves some pocket money on the side, in up to $250 a month just by answering surveys. Now if you guys don't know what surveys are or how they work, basically you answer surveys from different businesses and companies, and they actually give you money in return for your knowledge. So basically they ask you questions like, very simple questions like, when were you born, where were you born, that kind of thing. Have you owned a dog within the past 3 months, or that kind of thing. Very simple questions, and those questions help them produce better sort of products, or you know, increase their product service, that kind of thing. You know, they're doing market research to improve their business, to improve their company, and you guys are getting money in return, which is quite nice. So the first website I'm going to be showing you is Survey Junkie. Now if you guys want to go check out the websites I'm going to be showing you in today's video, every link will be in the description down below, and if you guys do choose those links, you guys are also helping me out, and you guys are also helping yourselves out by getting some extra money, which is quite nice. So the first website is called Survey Junkie. Now this is the first website I found for doing surveys, and in my opinion it's one of the best surveys because it's simple, it's neat, it's tidy, it's all you need when you're new to doing surveys. So basically, here we have Survey Junkie. Now if you go to the top left, it shows us how many points we have. So right now I have 270 points, which is equivalent to $2.70. 100 points is $1, and 1000 points is $10. So basically it tells you your lifetime points. So I currently have 270 lifetime points, and redeemable $2.70. Now it also says down here, redemption is available at $10 minimum. So basically once I reach 10,000 points, or 1000 points, which is equivalent to $10, that's when I can withdraw the money and put it into my hands, either through PayPal or through gift cards, which is quite nice. Now as you can see in the middle, we have the different type of surveys that we can do. So here we have 50 points, which is equivalent to 50 cents. So if I did this survey, it take me 15 minutes to do this survey. Just by sitting here on my bum in front of my computer on the internet, I'll make 50 cents like that. So currently I have 270 points. So if I did this survey, I'll get 50 points, which means I'll get my balance will go up to $3.20. Now the next one we have is 65 points for 12 minutes. So this survey will roughly estimated 12 minutes, and I'll get 65 points, which is equivalent to 65 cents. So right now I have $2.70 points. If I do this, I'll get 65 points, which means it'll be added to my balance, and I should have roughly 335 cents. 335 points, which is equivalent to $3.35. Same thing over here. This survey is 95 points. That's equivalent to 95 cents, which is insane. It's slightly longer than the other ones. It goes for 21 minutes, but that is 95 points, which is 95 cents. So if that gets added to my balance, I'll roughly get $3.65 in total, which is freaking crazy. Now once you guys log in, it's going to ask you for a few things. So if you guys want to go to the top right here onto my profile, and it takes you here to your profile. Now basically here are different profile genres or profile settings that help other businesses and companies find your profile and see if you're suitable for the selected survey. Now these surveys are very quick, very easy to do, and if you guys do them, you'll get a higher chance of being seen by other businesses and companies to get your knowledge and your thoughts out there to their companies to produce better products and services. So basically these are basic profile surveys that are questions that are up to you. So for the first one is general profile. Basically, it asks you, do you own any of the following pets? Select all that apply. So currently I don't own any pets, but in the future, if I do own pets, I can easily update it by choosing horse, fish, dog, cat, whatever, and then press on update. It is that simple. Now, each of these surveys also give you 10 points, which is equivalent to 10 cents basically. So as you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 profile surveys, which is equivalent to 70 cents. So just by answering 7 different profile surveys based on me, based on my life, I'll get 70 cents just by doing that. And these are very basic surveys, only 12 to 18 questions to solve. You guys can do them in less than 5 minutes each, probably 2 to 3 minutes, not even. And once you guys do all these, you guys will get your profile out there to other businesses and companies so that you guys can answer questions based on their products and services. And you also get yourselves free 70 cents, which is really nice basically. And when you first log into Survey Junkie, you guys will also see on the top left of the screen, or in the middle left of the screen, you have different things that you guys can do to redeem more money. The first one is redeem your email, which is very simple. That will give you 25 cents, 25 points, which is really nice. And I forgot what the other two are, but they're very basic, very simple, and very easy to do. So anyway guys, this is Survey Junkie. Link will be in the description down below, so if you guys want to go check this website out, link will be down there below. This is the first website I started using, and so far it's freaking awesome. Probably one of the best surveys out there. And just be wary that if you guys are trying to find some different surveys, if they ask you to pay, then it's most likely a scam. These things are free to do, and you guys will get money in return, so keep that in mind. Now the next website I'm going to show you is called Swagbucks. Now Swagbucks is one of the better ones out there. I wouldn't say it's the best one, but it's definitely one of the like best ones you can get out there if you're new to Swagbucks or new to surveys in general. So this one is called Swagbucks. Again, link in the description down below. If you guys click on that link, it will definitely help me out, and it will also help you out. So this is called Swagbucks, and as you can see, you guys can you can do surveys and earn money. So the currency on this is called SB, Swagbucks. I've currently got 116 SB, which is equivalent to $1.16. And on this website, you can do so many different things to earn yourself some money. You guys can shop, which means you can actually shop on eBay, whatever you do, Catch of the Day, Booking.com, and you guys can earn money by spending money, which is crazy. So for instance, if you go on eBay, you can get 1% cashback. So for every dollar you spend, you'll get 1 SB. So for instance, if I spend $10, I'll get 10 SB. So basically, I'll spend $10 and I'll get 10 cents back, which isn't crazy. It's not mind-blowing, but at the end of the day, you are getting money in return, which you wouldn't normally do if you use the service through that service, if that makes sense. So, and you can even watch videos, which this is my favorite part of the website. You can literally just relax, just lie down, get the popcorn, and you can literally just watch things and get money in return, which is freaking awesome, and it's super duper easy to do. You can answer surveys, which is obviously the method we're going to be showing you guys in today's video. So you have this shows you the time to complete the actual surveys: 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 7 minutes, 20 minutes, 7 minutes. So for instance, the longer the surveys, usually you get more SB. So for instance, the longest one here goes for 30 minutes, and you guys will get 100 SP, which is equivalent to $1. So for instance, if we add all these surveys, 100, 180, 230, 290, 330 SB. That means that I'll get $3.30 $3.30 once I complete all these surveys, just by sitting on this chair, on my bum, on my laptop, relaxing, just taking a chill pill. You know how it is. I'm going to get $3.30 just by sitting here answering all these surveys. And they're super duper easy, they're fun to do, and it's freaking awesome, and it's very nice. Now one thing that I love about this website is the to-do list down here, which guys complete your to-do list to earn bonus SB. So if you guys do everything here, you guys will earn yourselves more SB. And my favorite part about this is the daily poll. So basically, currently we're in February 2019, and it asks you, so today's poll was actually, how frequently do you use your hair products? Now it's got 6 different answers, and there's no right or wrong answer. It's up to you what you think, what you believe in. You put whatever one you want, and it doesn't matter which one you click, you're always going to be right. You're going to get 1 SB, which is 1 cent. Now for instance, there's 28 days in February. Now if you answered every single daily poll in February, that's 28 days, that's equivalent to 28 SB, which is 28 cents. So basically, you guys can earn 28 cents by just logging onto Swagbucks and just answering the daily polls. And they're very fun to do. It's quite interesting to see what the general public think about different questions and stuff. So for instance, how frequently do you use your hair products? 27% said daily, and 33% said more than twice a week. So you do get to learn some new things along the way and explore your knowledge. Now, one of the best things about this website is you can even play games to actually earn money, which is freaking crazy. So as you can see, you guys can download Final Fantasy, A New Empire, and you guys will earn $700. I mean, that would be crazy. You guys can earn 700 SB, that's $7 just by downloading and playing Final Fantasy. Same thing with World War Rising. If you reach level 12, you'll earn 1600 SB, 1600 SB, which is equivalent to $16, which is insane. You guys can shop and earn here. There's so many different ways that you guys can do, or so many different things you guys can do to earn SB. So you can see you can play games you can earn, which is the best part about this website. You guys can also redeem your SB. So once you reach a certain amount of SB, or you feel like it's time to withdraw your SB and get some real cash in return, you just want to hop onto here. Now the best thing about this thing is on sale rewards. So basically that means you can buy a $10 Amazon gift card or a $10 PayPal gift card, and you guys could spend $5. So you could be getting $10 for $5, which is, you're making $5 profit, which is quite nice. So here we have the on sale rewards. So make sure you guys go check this out before you spend your swag bucks, so you guys know that you guys can get some discounts and you guys can save your money. Now here we have most popular rewards. Now this is obviously where people are buying the most popular gift cards. So for instance, $25 PayPal cash is the most popular, $2,500 SP, 2,500 SB, which is equivalent to $25. We have so many Amazon different gift cards. We have PayPal $50. We also have $100 PayPal, which is crazy. Steam gift cards. So you guys can almost get anything on this website. Now you're not going to be rich, like you're not going to go crazy rich by doing surveys, but you are going to earn some spare money, some spare pocket money on the side, which you guys can spend on Fortnite. You guys can spend on CS:GO skins. I don't know, whatever game you guys play, I don't know. But also you guys can refer and earn $5. So basically, you guys can share your link with family, friends, and mates, and you guys will get 10% of their SB earnings for life, which is freaking crazy. And you'll also earn 300 SB in the first month, which is really cool. So make sure you guys go share your links with your friends and your family, and if you guys do click on the link in the description down below, it does help me out, as you guys see, and it will help you guys out too, and you guys will get yourselves more SB and some more money, which is really nice. You can also refer a friend for 10% for life. You can make this your default search engine and get 20 SB, which is 20 cents, and you can also add the swag button to your browser as an extension, and you guys will get 50 SB, which is 50 cents. Now guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this is something different that I don't normally do on this channel, but anyway guys, I've got my setup, everything is beautiful, my whole room has changed, that's why it's taking me so long to do another video. But anyway guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel with those post notifications on, so you guys will never ever miss a single video. And if you guys want to see more methods and more different ways you guys can earn pocket money from home and become a millionaire, or not really, but you know what I mean. If you guys want to earn some more money from home, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy, because I've got so much different ways and methods you guys can do to earn some more money through the internet. So anyway guys, I hope you guys did like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.